Hey guys, Wayne Grayson here with AEM. Welcome into CONEXPO 2023. We're standing here in the Silver Lot at the Lippmann booth. I'm here with my friend Kelly Blickel. Kelly is the marketing manager for Lippmann. Now Kelly, you've got a couple of new machines here, but you guys are also celebrating the 100th anniversary. Tell us a little bit about that and what you guys have kind of been doing to kind of celebrate that big milestone.
So Lippmann was founded in 1923 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we're really proud of our heritage. We've stayed in Milwaukee for all these 100 years. You know, we even have employees within the organization who've been there 45 years, so nearly half of the length of the whole duration of the company. So it's quite impressive and really proud to work with a company like that. The
Lippmann name goes such a long way. I mean, and one of the things that you guys are known for, right, is the durability. The amount of steel that goes into these machines is really unparalleled. The 1300J is no exception to that. Tell us a little bit about it.
No, that is true. Lippmann, known for the durability of our machines, and no more true in this machine than any others. I mean, we use thick steel, we don't cut corners, and these machines can last a lifetime of crushing really heavy, hard rock without an issue.
This is a super heavy machine. It's heavy duty. It's made to basically crush some of the largest material that you can throw at it with a 51-inch by 39-inch jaw crushing and opening. Just about the largest kind of intake that you can possibly get in the Lippmann lineup. But the other kind of key feature to this thing too is that it's got hybrid power on board. Tell us about that.
This machine, along with many of the others in the Lippmann lineup, are hybrid. So it allows you to use both a diesel genset or plug into the line power on your job site. So you can really see significant cost advantages when you're plugging into hybrid electric when you can.
Pretty easy to actually swap between as you need.
You move along and progress in a job site. You can switch your power needs as needed. And again, Lippmann has had these type of machines for a long time. We have a broad range of them in our product line, and this is just another hallmark of making sure that we're delivering what the customer wants and needs. And it is definitely becoming more popular on job sites to be efficient with your electricity. Even some of our customers have solar panels. So people are really getting interested in this industry to move in that direction.
The sheer size of the large opening, is there anything else beyond that customers have been wanting out of a machine this size, or that they'll appreciate about this particular machine?
Really the hallmark of this machine is its durability and its size. I mean, there's not going to be any question when a customer puts this on their job site if it's going to stand up to the rock that they're crushing from their quarries and their mines. It can handle really anything that they need to throw at it.
Yeah, just the ultimate kind of flexibility in terms of what you can throw inside of it. Kelly, speaking of throwing things at this machine, we've got another machine that's designed for just that. We've got the 4800R. So let's go take a look at that.
Sounds great.
We've come up here to the awesome kind of second deck of the Lippmann booth here, and we're going to talk about this 4800R that's right behind us. Now, this is an impact recycling machine. It was already in you guys' lineup. But you guys have made some improvements, right? Well, tell us about some of those updates.
Yeah, that's correct. So we have really improved the distance between the bottom of our impactor and the start of the conveyor belt. So it allows the material coming out of that impactor to have a more natural flow and increase productivity therein because you have that space to move through the machine.
I know another kind of update that you guys made with this machine was with the return conveyor. Tell us a little bit about that.
Actually, the industry's lowest angle of return conveyor, so it prevents rollback of material down the belt. And then once the material gets to the top and the chute to go back through the cycle, it also has additional overflow chute just in case of any high material flow. It will catch any spillage that would have happened and just shoot it right back through the system.
As we were saying, the 4800R, it's known, it's in the lineup. You guys have made some updates to it. What else are you guys trying to educate customers on about this machine? Some of those customers might be new to them, and why should they consider it?
This machine is a versatile machine. It's really perfect for recycle applications. It does have an onboard magnet conveyor to pull out rebar when you're recycling that concrete. Even some asphalt jobs will use these machines. It also has a lift-off electrical panel, so that can come off the front of the machine, so it reduces vibration to those components while the machine is in use. Yeah, easy to move around and can go on many job sites.
Well, Kelly, thank you so much for taking us through these two new machines, the 1300J and the 4800R. Guys, be sure to swing by the Lippmann booth. They're celebrating their 100th anniversary. Swing by the booth and come and check out these new machines. And Kelly, I understand you guys also have a selfie station down there as well, right?
Yeah, that's correct. We want people to have a little bit of fun in our booth. We have fun frames with the CONEXPO logo. On Friday, there'll be the St. Patrick's Day logo, and just come have some fun in the Lippmann booth and hang out.
There's not a better booth to come by on St. Patrick's Day than the green machines, right?
Right.
Absolutely.
Right.
All right, guys, well, be sure to come by the booth at Silver Lot S5421 here at CONEXPO 2023. Kelly, thanks again.
Thank you.
Thanks you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.